All right, guys, so the first thing we're going to do is remove this old stereo from this 2010 Toyota Corolla. So we're going to go ahead and remove these plastic trims all the way to the bottom. So I already started here. They are clip-ons. So we just pull from the side up. Then we pull down our glove compartment, and this little compartment, you open it. Then you grab from the back, and then you kind of wiggle. And it starts coming out. Just be careful, because if you pull really, really hard, you'll start breaking these little clips. And that's not good. All right, so we were able to remove the two pieces on the sides, the trim, 1, 2. Now we're gonna come down here and remove this trim, which I have this little tool that's handy, and it gets right in between the cracks, and I could just lift up and wiggle out. So this piece is attached with this little compartment, which has 2 screws right here, 1, 2 on the side. So we're going to take those out. Then we're going to have to get our key, and then get our gearbox and put it on neutral to remove this compartment. So in back of this little compartment, there is a cigarette lighter connection. You just disconnect it, which is inside now. It's been disconnected. Now we're going to go ahead and remove these 2 plastic pieces, which I got my metal tool here. And then I went under and just unclipped it off. It's all clip on. Then you just wiggle them out, and they come out pretty easily. Sometimes it sounds like it's going to break, but luckily I didn't break any. So just be careful with that. Next is going to be this trim piece. It's a little hard on there, so just make sure you pull it out. You kind of got to tug it out, and then it does come out. And then you loosen up these connections. Then we have the AC control unit. This one also is kind of tight on there, so we're going to pull it out. One side to another. I'm going to use 2 hands for this. All right, guys, so next to the stereo, there is 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 4 bolts to remove the stereo. So we're gonna go ahead and get our drill with an extension, pull those out. So once I removed those bolts, the 4 of them, I pulled it with both hands on each side, and it all came out all together. This is still a clip-on, but it's best if you just take it all out. It'll come out very smoothly once you remove those bolts. This plastic top AC vent system here, you just pull towards you on each side, then it comes out. In back of the stereo, we do have a wire harness that's attached to the stereo. We're going to go ahead and disconnect everything, just little plugs. So once you remove the wire harness, the whole stereo can be removed.